Down the years it's been a ride, and now I'm sorry I want more, let's not end tonight. And on as we go we seem to fight, but baby that's just the way we love. And only in the dark do we see our sunlight. Home is where we were, home is where we want to be. And yes, we don't have time to say goodbye, and this ain't the last time.
I just posted my breakfast picture on my Instagram page, and this is how the breakfast looks right now after eating it all. Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? So I just got ready, and yeah, I had my breakfast and I'm ready for the day. So last week I was very busy. We went for house hunting and finally we hunted down this beautiful house. So it is a new apartment, and with God's grace we found a very new 1-bedroom rented apartment, and I'm quite happy with this house. I'm soon going to give you guys an empty house tour. And yeah, we did the Griha Pravesh, and today is the day when we are going to settle in. There's a lot of unpacking to be done, and you know, I need to arrange the whole house. Right now it's a little bit messy because obviously we have all the cartons lying around and all the things that, you know, needs to be organized and needs to be stored in a better way. So I'll soon be coming up with a complete house tour after I have decorated the full house, but for now I'm just going to give you guys an empty apartment tour. So yeah, let's just begin. So this is the entrance, and from here we have these wooden flooring. It's really amazing. And here's the first room. This is like a storage room. We have all our footwear right here and few cleaning essentials. Now let's move on to the bathroom. Now this is like a highlight of the entire apartment. So it has the basic mirror and the wash basin and a bathtub, but what makes it different is this, like you just need to press, and yeah, so I really love this. Like you have got different temperature settings, so yeah. And this mirror is also quite different. Like you just need to press this and there's this light. So I've never really seen these kind of bathroom ever. Also for the shower and for filling up the bathtub, you just need to press this and it automatically ons all the water flow. So yeah, that's a very good technology. Now let's move on to the bedroom. This is a very plain and simple bedroom, and here are a lot of drawers. They need to put up all the handles on it, and here's again 2 side tables. Here's this very beautiful mirror. This is not just mirror, it's a wardrobe. Yeah, and here's the heater. Now let's move on to this room. So this is a very huge room. It has got this dining area, and here's the kitchen. The kitchen is very stunning and very beautiful. Let me show you guys what's here. Here's the oven, and here's the fridge, and here's the freezer. Now moving on to this part, they have put the dustbin inside so that, you know, it's really convenient this way. And here's the stove and the chimney. So here's the sink area. This is the filter for the water, like the tap water, the filtered water to drink. And here's the soap dispenser for, you know, dishwashing liquid. And this is the tap for washing all the utensils. I also need to get a drying rack for all the utensils. For now I'm just using this towel, and they have got a lot of storage too in here. So here's the washer cum dryer, and also here's the dishwasher. This is a very huge dishwasher. So moving on to this is the living area. Here's the sofa which came in with the apartment, and I have to buy a mandir which is going to be there. So for now all my idols are here. If you guys know where I can buy a good wooden mandir here, then please comment and let me know. I really love the fact how, you know, there are a lot of huge glass doors and windows here, so that, you know, the light can easily peep in.
No, 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 it's not said and done. Baby, you can fly with me and we'd be one. And it's only time before we miss the fire. You and I reach the higher. Whoa, our hands up in the sky. Just see now years pass by. 10 years down the line.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. So my vlogs are pretty informational. I try to put all the information in it. Last two vlogs weren't that informational because you guys were seeing me moving out and all those stuff. But today I felt like sharing something with you guys. I want to share what all the things that I got from India that is actually, you know, helping me a lot. I'm going to share with you guys all these survival essentials. If you're moving abroad, these might be helpful for you. At least it was helpful for me. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. It's not that you need to buy all these stuff, it just depends from person to person, but it has really helped me, so I felt like sharing with you guys. And also, if you're not going to move abroad, don't worry, all these brands are Indian brands, so you might get an information about, you know, what are the good brands that you can look for in India, like what are the good organic grocery brands. So yeah, let's just get started with that. So this bag has all the groceries and Indian items that I really need, and right now I feel that these are really important for me. And yeah, this is the same bag which was not opening in the last video. So there's a situation going on. This bag has all my necessities and the lock got jammed. Yes, but finally we broke the lock and it's open. So let me just show you guys what's inside. So these are the masalas that I bought from India. It's not really easy to find these masalas here. If you can find them, it's either really expensive or you need to travel a lot to, you know, get them. So it's better if you are traveling from India to, you know, get all the stock ready. So I'll show you guys what I have got. Pani Puri masala, tea masala. This is really good. This is from the brand Falada Pure and Sure. There's this pav bhaji masala, chana masala and pulao masala. I really love these, and you cannot really find this brand here. And also I have not found anywhere this ajwain, which is carom seeds, so I got carom seeds, and also sabja seeds, which you can find easily in India, but here I don't think so you can find. And here's black teal. This is very important, like I eat almost every day, so if you can find it here, it's quite well and good, but if you cannot, it's better to, you know, have a stock. So here's all the masalas. You can find these basic masalas easily in London, but again it's a little bit expensive here. So I got myself turmeric powder, coriander powder, chili powder. Again, they are from the brand Pure and Sure or 24 Mantra. These are really good brands in India. And I've got chili powder, cinnamon barks, garam masala. Garam masala I got 2 packs, and here's the jeera. All of these I've got 2 packs, and this is really important, which is chaat masala, which I did not find it here. And hing. Hing is also really important in our Indian cuisine. So yeah, you can get hing from India. These are really small packs, so you don't really have to worry about the luggage. We got an extra luggage, so we bought all of the things, you know, like the groceries from India. Again, talking about salt, black salt is you know, something that I didn't really find here, and senda namak also I did not find. If you are fasting, then we generally eat senda namak and not the table salt, so it's better that you get it from India. So talking about mayonnaise, we did not find eggless mayonnaise here, so we got ourselves these kind of really handy pouches. Now talking about the dals, you can easily find tur dal and masoor dal and all other dals here. here, but I did not see this one. I got this from India again. These are kala chana, and here's the green moong. I did not find it here anywhere. You can find suji here. I did not see poha here. I need to explore more, but you know, again, like I said, it might be expensive. So since I was coming from India, it's better to, you know, get all this stuff. And then talking about our favorite, which is Amul. I did not see Amul here, and we love Amul, so we got ourselves a lot of cheese cubes and butter, and also these chocolates. These are our favorite from Amul, which is Peru and Colombia. It's dark chocolate. Again, let's just compare the prices. Like this I got from India, which is jaggery powder, which is around 75 rupees. And if I am going to get these kind of, you know, jaggery cubes in India, it would cost around 120 rupees, but here I paid 380 rupees for this. So again, like I said, it's better to carry. I'm not pretty sure about the airport rules. It's better that you know, talk to the concerned person. It's better to have all these packaged and have the labels on it, because sometimes the airport officials might throw it out thinking what it is. So if it's properly labeled and if it's properly packaged, they won't question you and they won't throw it out. We got ourselves a lot of medicines. Like, I know we are not going to need all of it, but even if we have, you know, a mild fever or vomiting tendency or anything, we have got proper medications for everything. Here, you know, you need prescription for some of the medicines, so we thought that it's better to carry all our meds. So yeah. And also, this is really important, these are adapters. When you're coming here, make sure you have a lot of these. I got this from Amazon India. So this really comes handy because most of our electronics are from India, so the plug point is different here. So yeah. So there's a change in plan. Sid called me up and we both are going to search for a mandir for our house, and we wanted mandir to come first in our house and then all the other furnitures. So yeah, we are just going to search for that, and for the first time I'm going to commute all alone. Like, I need to take a bus from here and then I need to take a tube to Sid's office, and then he'll join me, and then we both will change 2 tubes and then reach that destination, like the place where all the shops are there. So my mom's friend gave us this address, and also that area has Jain Mandir, so we wanted to have a darshan to there. So also we need to search for a mandir, so I hope everything goes well. So yeah, let's just go.
Before we missed the fire, you and I reached taller, higher. Whoa, our hands up in the sky. Just see now years pass by. 10 years down the line, and there's really gonna be a second time. But just now, before we go, we can make it right. Wipe your tears away, 'cause there's no goodbye.
This is hello. बहुत ठंड है यार. Oh, this station is very beautiful. So many houses. Look at these cute houses. Oh my god.
Show me where you've gone so we can write this stone.
So this is a Jain temple.
Show me where you've gone so we can write this stone. Show me where you've gone.
Hey guys, so it started raining really heavily, so we came back home and we got the address for the mandir, so we will go there on the weekends. So for now, I'm ending this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this day with me. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye for now.
Show me where you've gone so we can write the storm. Show me where you've gone when you come back home.